Hi, today we're going to make this shiny bracelet. I like it because I like bicones. Here's the list of materials we'll use. This will be our pattern. We will go from top right corner in a clockwise direction. We can start. Let's add a stopper at one end of our wire. String the beads into our wire. Start from the top right corner going on clockwise direction. We can start putting in the cube beads. I want the cube beads to be free, moving and spinning. To do this, we would need to put seed beads underneath them. Alternate putting in a few 11-0 seed beads and the cube beads. This is to measure how much seed beads you'll need. Adding a few extra seed beads at the end will help the cube beads bend nicely, move around, and spin. Three seed beads should be enough for black pink. We can continue with the pattern again. Now we need to secure the end and provide a way to attach our clasp. We will be using a crimp tube, a wire protector, and a crimp cover. We will also need our crimping pliers. String the crimp tube first. Next, let your wire go through one end of the wire protector and loop through the other end. Then let your wire pass the crimp tube again. Make sure that your wire is resting on the wire protector. You will be crimping the crimp tube near the wire protector, but leave some space for the crimp cover. You can adjust the ends of the wire protector so your wires will be nearer to each other. Make sure to leave a small space for the crimp cover. While holding both wires flat beside each other, you can start crimping. Your crimping pliers will have two teeth sections. Use the second one first. This will push in the middle of the crimping tube on one side, creating a division on the tube with one wire on each side. You will now need to hold the crimping tube vertically and crimp it using the first teeth section. This will fold the two divisions together. To add the crimp cover, I usually find it easier to go from the wire up. Once in position, you can now slowly close the crimp cover. You can hide the excess wire on the beads. Do the same thing on the other end. It will be trickier to handle the other end, so it is advisable to allow extra length to your wire. Curve your bracelet before crimping. This is to make sure the beads will have enough room. You can hide the excess thread in the beads. Now we can add the clasp. I usually use my chain nose and round nose pliers for this part. Take a jump ring and open it up using both pliers. Insert it into the wire protector. Insert the clasp into the jump ring. Close the jump ring. Do the same thing on the other end, but add one jump ring before attaching the clasp. Add 6 more jump rings for the charm. Attach the charm at the end. Our bracelet is done. For more patterns, I will put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please throw a like and subscribe to the channel.